Hey, what is up? Today with the Sonos Ikea Symfonisk bookshelf speaker. Ikea may have been known for making wallet-friendly furniture that looks great and lasts long, but with technology becoming more and more relevant, Ikea has been developing their own smart home products too. This time joining forces with Sonos to create the Symfonisk line of speakers. Here we have the Symfonisk bookshelf speaker. The bookshelf speaker is essentially a Sonos Play 1 rewired into a rectangular form and a lower price tag. Now let's take a deeper look. On the front of the speaker, you will find a fabric covered grille that blends into home interiors pretty well if you have it around other furnishings or even the Kylex bookshelf, which by the way is made to fit inside one of these shelves vertically or horizontally. You can also pick up a wall mounting kit which allows you to mount the speaker to the wall itself and act as an actual bedside table or a bookshelf. The other option is to buy a speaker hook so that you can hook the speaker onto the Comfort rail. On the top of the grille, there is a Sonos Ikea label for branding, and near the bottom is where you find your playback controls. You can increase and decrease your volume with the volume buttons, play and pause with a single press, skip forward with a double press, and skip backward with a triple press. There's also a LED status indicator. The entire front grille is also fully removable if you wish to show off a more industrial speaker look. Moving towards the back, there are two ports, the power port and the Ethernet port, and in the box both cables are included as well. You may opt to use the Ethernet for wired internet in case you are placing the speaker in an area with a weaker Wi-Fi signal. Alternatively, if you decide to buy two bookshelf speakers, you can stereo pair them together or even join them to a same system to act as rear surround speakers. Moving on to sound quality, the bookshelf speaker features a very similar speaker setup as the Play 1 speaker. Out of the box, the bass response is deep, tight and punchy. You never manage to distort or bleed into the mids even if you turn up the volume. The highs were lacking in clarity, but they sounded not too bad either. The mids on the other hand were very crisp and filled with clarity. The instrument separation and soundstage is decent, and a pair of these would help to create a stronger stereo effect. To actually set up the speakers, you require the Sonos S2 app, which will guide you through the process and register the speaker for you. The Sonos S2 app is available on both App and Play Store. In the app, you may hook up various music subscriptions like Spotify, SoundCloud, Sonos Radio or content on your device, etc. and stream music from there. You can also add your favorites to My Sonos category for easy access and change your different music streams on various speaker rooms, as well as search for your music collection. In the settings, you can change individual speaker settings like the EQ for different genres, control the volume limit as well as hardware options. Overall, I felt that the sound signature was the best and cleanest in the default setting out of the box, without the need to even alter it to any equalizer settings. The sound signature can be best described as neutral with an emphasis to the bass. But you can always alter the sound signature with the bass and treble slider, which by the way controls the speaker very well. Even if you try to max out the bass or treble, the sound signature remains relatively clean and enjoyable to listen to. Now let's jump into the sound test to hear how it really sounds. Please use headphones to hear the difference.
Just hold on. Been to places that I'll never go. Seen some faces that I'll never know. I keep dancing, but it's just for show. Whoa. Look up at the sky full of stars. Close my eyes, I only see the dark. Tell myself I wanna seize the night. Together, and I still feel like I'm alone. Just hold on, just hold on, just hold on, just hold on. Just hold on. what you want. Say 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 what you want.
Hey you, new to our channel, remember to hit the like button if you find this video helpful and share it with someone who may need it. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new video reviews. Thank you for support. Now back to our test.
Staring at the stars in the back of my car. Trying to figure out just who we are. Catching moments on our phones, taking pictures, call it home. Picking words out of our favorite songs, our favorite songs. We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. The city is ours for life. Will you take my hand tonight? We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. Will you take my hand tonight? Will you take my hand tonight? Yeah, we'll show them we were right. Will you take my hand tonight? We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. Will you take my hand tonight? Will you take my hand tonight?
Nothing seems the same, always on the go now, never seem to slow down. You've been playing games, you don't pick up the phone now, when you know I'm never home now. Tell me when am I gonna see you? 'Cause I've been missing your body right beside me. Tell me when am I gonna see you? You've been driving me crazy, I can't take this. All I wanna do is be right there for you, be right there with you. All I wanna do is be right there for you, be right next to you. Wait a minute. Be right next to you. All I wanna do, I wanna be there for you. I wanna be there with you. All I wanna do is be right there for you, be right next to you.
In terms of connectivity, only Wi-Fi playback is available and you can choose to do AirPlay to cast music if you have an iOS device. There is no 3.5mm audio import or Bluetooth connectivity built in. All in all, the Sonos Ikea Symfonisk bookshelf speaker is a great way to bring technology into interior-friendly furnishing and at a low cost. The bookshelf speaker is the cheapest Sonos speaker till date, but it blends into the Sonos ecosystem very well, making it a cost-effective way to try out the Sonos lineup of speakers. Thank you for watching and please check out our written review over at DLRDISER.com/Sonos Ikea Symfonisk bookshelf. Also, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more.
Boy, you're so